Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your blue light filter on Windows 11. So the way we can actually enable this on Windows 11 is by going to our search bar here and searching for night light. This is going to open up the night light settings in your settings application. And basically where it says here, show warmer colors on your display to help you sleep. If we click on turn on now our display is going to have the night light effects, meaning it is filtering out blue light and emitting more warm colors to your screen. And of course we can adjust the strength here so we can make it very filtered or less filtered if we want. So you can adjust this to whatever you want. I would say the higher you go, the probably better chance you're going to have of sleeping at night, because again, the more blue light that is filtered out, the better chance you have of sleeping well. And you can also schedule this if you want. So I'm going to turn this back here and click on schedule. So we can set it any time between 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. or we can change these times to be whatever we want. But that is basically how you turn on the blue light filter on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.